Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Gantt charts for project scheduling in Zoho Project, your 2025 full guide. First off, log into your Zoho Project and select the appropriate project. This is the starting point where you can manage your tasks and milestones. The reason we do this is because the Gantt chart draws data from these tasks and milestones to create a visual timeline. Now that you're all set, navigate to the Tasks and Milestones module and click on the Gantt View tab. This helps us because it's the place where the Gantt chart lives. Here, you'll see a bar chart showing the project schedule, including the start and end dates of tasks, their duration, and their dependencies. Next up, let's add tasks to the chart. Click on the Add Task button, enter task details, and assign it to your team. This is important because each task represents a step in your project, and assigning them helps distribute the workload. Once you've added all your tasks, it's time to set dependencies. Click on a task and drag the arrow to another task it depends on. This is critical because it shows the sequence of tasks and prevents any from being overlooked. Now let me explain why dependencies matter. They illustrate the relationship between different tasks, showing which tasks rely on others to be completed first. This way, your team can prioritize tasks and see the overall project flow. Finally, adjust the timeline for each task by simply dragging the ends of each bar. This helps us because it allows you to manage the duration of each task and ensure the project stays on track. And there you have it, a well-structured Gantt chart, the perfect tool for visualizing your project schedule and tracking progress. It's a simple yet powerful feature of Zoho Project that makes project scheduling a breeze. Remember, the key to effective project management is clear communication and proper planning. Gantt charts in Zoho Project are tools that make this possible. Thanks for joining today's tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.